Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Thursday, September 23rd. Today we are continuing on with our Do Nows, our 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 18. We also worked on to the other side of the sky vocab predictions. So my 3-4, we didn't quite finish our vocabulary predictions, so I gave you guys some time in class today. And today was your first reading because you didn't get to it yesterday since it was modified. For my honors classes, we were able to, most of us were able to get to the vocab predictions. We were able to get to our first reading today. And now we are getting into our other side of the sky annotations. So my 3-4, you didn't do annotations yet. But my 1, 2, and 5, 6, we did annotations today. What is due to me Tuesday is going to be your building background, those notes that we did, and your vocabulary predictions. Okay? That's all due to me, as well as these announcements as well. Since you guys know what the vocabulary predictions is, since I had a daily video on it yesterday, you can go watch that. First reading of The Other Side of the Sky, we read that on Study Sync as well. Those annotations I will get into on Monday, as all my classes are working on annotations on Monday. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me before or after school. I know the bell's ringing, and I'll see you guys there.